Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do fake nails at home. This method is very cost efficient and looks almost professional. I'm going to start off by using a wooden cuticle pusher to just push the cuticles back on all of my fingernails. This makes your nails look more sleek and your nail bed look a little bit longer. I always use a wooden one and I never cut my cuticles. You have to be very gentle with your hands to ensure that your manicure always looks clean and healthy. Now I'm going into these square shape press-on nails. I buy this pack of very many on Amazon and it's really cheap. And what I'm doing is just sizing out exactly which number fits the size of each of my fingernails. Be sure to take your time doing this because this is what's going to ensure that your nails look really natural. So you have to find a fit that looks like it matches the shape that your nail would actually be in if it were this long. And don't worry about using a different number or a different size for each finger because some of your fingers are the same. Sometimes I end up using the same size for my pointer finger and my ring finger. Just make sure that it fits nicely. And I like to use a size that's a little bit thinner because that's what's going to make my nails look dainty and elegant and not chunky and big. You'll notice with these nails that the base of them is a square shape, and I don't know about everyone, but the base of my nails is more round. So the next thing I do is I get out my nail file and just file down the edges of the square base on each fingernail so it fits the shape of my finger better. You can see I consistently do a small amount of filing and then I press it up against my nail to see how it fits, and I just keep doing that for each nail. The filing and fitting process for fake nails is the most time consuming, but it's definitely worth it because it's going to make the nails last longer and look much better and more professional. After I'm done filing down all of the base parts of the nails and all of my nails are prepped and ready to be put on my fingers, now it's time for the gluing process. So what I do is I get a bottle of nail polish remover or acetone and I put it just on a cotton round, and I just use that to wipe off any oils off of my nail bed because your nails naturally produce oils and those will make the glue less likely to stick on better and last longer. So when I take all of the oils off with the nail polish remover, that allows the glue to stick better. I start with my pinkies because I use my finger, like my pointer finger and my thumb most often, so it's best to get your pinkies out of the way first, you know what I mean? And I move towards the thumb. That's the easiest way to do it. And I put a dollop of glue on the nail and a dollop of glue on the actual fake nail, and then that way when I push them together there's enough glue that just covers the nail and sticks on the nail, but it doesn't seep out from the edges, and it's enough to keep it on very strongly. So I press on each nail and I hold it down for 10 to 20 seconds. This part's really important because that's what's going to make sure that there's no air bubbles trapped underneath, and it's going to make sure the glue is really strong. And these are the way they look once they're all glued into place. So now I'm moving on to filing the actual tip of the nail, and the choice for shape I'm using today is like a thin, narrow square. So I'm just going a diagonal to my finger and just filing down the edges to make them a little bit thinner and more natural looking, and then I'm rounding out the square edges just a little bit more to make the corners a little bit more soft and not so harsh. The color I'm using is called Undercover and it's number 206C by Wet n Wild Mega Last, and I'm just rolling that in between my hands to get the paint all warmed up and loose in the bottle, and then I'm just going to paint my nails with this. This is really actually simpler, I think, than painting your natural nails just because it goes on so smoothly and the polish always looks so shiny and nice on the plastic fake nails. So I'm just going to carefully do just 2 to 3 strokes on each nail to make them look nice and clean. And I'm definitely going to do 2 coats of this because I think it's always better to do 2 light coats than 1 heavy coat because that'll just make sure everything dries quicker. Also, because the nails are fake, the polish is going to dry much faster than it would on your natural nails. So these will be dry at only 10 to 15 minutes, which I love. I hate waiting around for my nail polish to dry. To make this look a little extra special, I'm going to do an accent nail. So I'm just putting a wet base for this, just of any nail polish, and then I'm dipping it lightly into a gold shimmer sparkle, and then I'm just using a fluffy brush to dust off the excess. This is so the best way to get like a really sparkly nail, and then I always do a clear top coat over my sparkles. And this is my finished look. These are really elegant looking, fun fake nails that cost me probably less than $3 for the whole thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I hope you try it at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you all in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!